20 benefits of yoga. First line, yoga keeps us healthy. Second line, it cures many diseases. Third line, it reduces mental stress. Fourth line, it makes our body strong and active. Fifth line, it helps us to stay calm. Sixth line, it helps our mind relax. Seventh line, it improves our flexibility. Eighth line, it controls our blood pressure. Ninth line, it builds muscle strength and balance. Tenth line, it boosts our immunity. Eleventh line, it helps our heart health. Twelfth line, it perfects our posture. Thirteenth line, it improves our breathing system. Fourteenth line, it improves our mood. Fifteenth line, it improves our good sleep. 16th line, it sharps our focus and mind. Seventeenth line, it boosts our energy and fitness. 18th line, it keeps our lungs healthy. 19th line, it makes our digestive system better. 20th line, it leads a happy and healthy life. वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।